how to get more time on screen time limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can get more time on screen time limit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you had set up a screen time limit on your Android or iPhone and you want to upgrade that screen time so that it's not only restricted, so let's say you have a screen time for 2 hours in a day, you want to make it so that you can not only use 2 hours but 3 to 4 hours. And to do that, first of all, open up your settings app and look for this option. Every Android device should have this option called digital well-being and parental controls, so tap on it. In my case, you can see I have set up a screen time goal, so I can select that and I can first of all go ahead and tap on the goal option here, and you can see my current one is this, so I can simply set this to, let's say, 8 hours or 7 hours depending upon what I want here. So once I've done that, my screen time goal will get successfully changed in this case, and this way I'll be able to get more time on screen time limit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.